Okay, this is my latest fat trash find. It's a Hoover Decade 800 heavy duty, and it is in near perfect condition. Hoover Power Surge has the 2-speed motor. Now the only thing, one thing that I thought was odd is that is where the label is supposed to go for the amperage and the serial number and everything, and it's missing. I'm not sure if it was never there or what. It doesn't look like it was removed, and I find it hard to believe that it fell off. So that's a little oddity right there. But one thing you can see is it does have a really cheap plastic cover over the brush roll and the belt. It's a little dirty inside, but the rest of it is perfectly clean. And this does have the ball bearing brush roll, which seems to have nearly full bristles on it yet as well. So let's try it out. Now I have done nothing to this except for changing the belt, which this was the belt that's on it. It's an aftermarket belt. It's not a Hoover belt, and it apparently was on there for a while because it's kind of formed to the brush roll and the motor spindle. So let's get it plugged in and try it out. Okay, there we go. Now that I did notice there was some vibration there. Not sure if that is due to the brush roll or if it's, again, the fan might be going on it. Not sure, I have to look into that. But there we have Hoover Decade 800, heavy duty. And just as a little side note, it is pretty much identical to the Decade 80. Same design. Now this one does have the cloth bag on it. Now it does take the replaceable Hoover, I think type A bags. So it's not a shakeout bag, but that's it.